Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Talk with Jay Sudhar. In my last video I had mentioned that Nifty will be in a consolidation phase and same was witnessed in last week. In last week we also saw a huge gap down opening in a market on Monday. So that gap down opening was basically due to rise in corona cases over the weekend. As a trader we must know at any point of time risk and trigger for the market. So currently market is considering corona cases as a risk for the market. Our view for the current week also will be market will be in a consolidation phase. Medium range for the market will be 14,000 to 14,800 and we will see stock specific action particularly in mid cap and small cap segments. So before reviewing the performance of the stock which I had mentioned in my last week, so let us have a view on Nifty first. So this is daily chart of Nifty. Nifty has continued to trade in between this channel. The upper range of this channel is 14,800 and lower range for this channel is 14,000. In last week we saw couple of gap downs. I have marked these gap downs with the blue box. So for next week these gap down areas will act as a resistance for the market. On weekly chart, Nifty has formed a doji candle which is a generally indecisive candle. So as long as Nifty continues to trade below 14,400, there is a possibility of Nifty slipping towards 14,000. So let us review the performance of the stocks which I had mentioned in my last video. So before reviewing that, I want to mention very important point or learning for all of you. Whenever we are bullish on a particular stock or index and in a market if we see a gap down opening and stocks or index comes to near support or stop loss level, so there is an opportunity to buy that stocks. If we do that, we will have a proper risk reward ratio and our return will be maximum, and this we have seen in our stocks. So these were the last close of weekly close of the each stock, and in gap down opening we saw stocks coming to these levels which were very close to our stop loss level. For a couple of stocks the stocks went below our stop loss level but rebounded from those levels and closed at a higher level on that particular day of a gap down. So our stop loss is basically a closing stop loss, so which has to be considered is TTK Healthcare Limited. So this is daily chart of TTK Healthcare Limited. We have seen gap up opening on a stock with a rise in volume. On weekly scale it has given breakout on inverse head and shoulder pattern and also closed on a 200-day weekly moving average. So we can see levels of 802 in a stock in near term. In medium term we can see levels of 924 and 1091. Second stock is Apcotex Limited. So this is daily chart of Apcotex Industries. On daily scale it has rised with a huge volume. On weekly scale it has given a breakout of few weeks consolidation which I have marked with this blue box. So we can see level of around 230 in this stock. It has also closed above 200-day weekly moving average. So we can see higher levels in the stocks in coming week. So, third stock is BPL Limited. So this is given a breakout with a huge volume. On weekly chart, it has given a breakout of huge rounding bottom kind of a pattern. So we can see target around 39 rupees in this stock. Fourth stock is Tata Coffee Limited. So this is daily chart of Tata Coffee Limited. And this is weekly chart of Tata Coffee. So we can see levels of 171 in the stock in coming week. So this was our outlook on the market and some stock specific recommendation in the market for the coming week. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and comment on our video. So have a great week ahead. See you next week. Thank you.